Hello, everybody. I just got done doing some bright summer mani, and I want to do a matching one on my toes, and I'm doing it right after because I want to use the little leftover bits since I'm making it matching. I'll show you a lot of the pieces kind of I didn't save super well, but I have some little tiny bits. It's hard for me to show my table and this, so I'll just show you beforehand, and then I have kind of just some small strips. So we'll just see how it goes. But so first I wanted to start, I'm not going to use any leftover bits for my big toe because it's big, right? So none of the leftover bits were big enough to cover my toe. So we're going to do, I wanted to do a little bit of Sipping Sunshine. I don't think I have enough. Where is, yeah, I only have like the ombre strip left. And I like the stripies. I love stripes on my toes. So gonna make the smaller strips work for me. I do need to be a little careful because these I just did them, right? So I don't want to use them as tools. Try not to, or at least if I do, do it very delicately because they are not cured yet. Usually I do my toes first for that reason so I can use my fingers, but I wanted to kind of show you using the leftover bits. I used to do that a lot before I did YouTube. Well, I guess I would do them at the same time, right? Would do, so that way I was, whoops, dropped that. I would do the, you know, when I had a leftover bit, I would stick it on my toes and kind of do it at the same time. Obviously, that's a little tricky. I can't film my fingers and my toes at the same time. So there we go. Got a nice stripe, or not stripe. And then this, I'm going to just do it at an angle. Okay, I got to decide, do I want just a little peekaboo of stripes or do I want a lot? Probably just a little peekaboo. That's pretty cute. This is going to be my trip mani, so it's kind of fun to do matching because I will be wearing it for a long time, longer than I normally do. A lot of times I don't have enough energy to do my toes too, and it doesn't bother me terribly if they don't match. Okay, let's make sure this sticks good and kind of do some, I'm kind of perforating it a little bit here just with my rubber cuticle pusher. And there, that did seem to perforate. The tricky thing is going to be getting this edge to perforate without using my tips of my nails. Normally I would just get the tip of my thumbnail there and do that. That's adorable. Okay, I love how that turned out. All right, and then we've got just these little bits of stripes. So we can do that there. I'm excited to see how this one comes out. Because I'm loving the stripes here on my toes. I wonder if I used my little nippers here. Oh man, can you even see what I'm doing on my cover and everything? I hope some of it at least showed. It's especially these little, you don't have much nail verted here too. It doesn't feel like it's sticking super well. I do have just nail strengthener down, which should be helping. Usually my toes do stay on okay though after they cure. I feel like they take less of a beating than my fingers do, and so it usually works out as long as they at least kind of stick. Hopefully. That's generally how it works out. So hopefully, look how cute that is. And my little toe there. Okay, and then I think, should we try doing some of the ombre or should I just do all pink? That's the debate. Excuse me. Let's see. Pink, pink. Okay, let's grab the ombre and just see how it looks. Oh, the sets I'm using, this is Sipping Sunshine. This is Ladies Night that I've got here. May as well try an ombre strip. Now, because my toes are so much smaller, there's a little bit of like, do I want it to be mostly white or do I think I want more of that color. So there's gonna be a lot of cleanup to do on this one, but let's try and get some of the orange to like pink. I think that'll be fun. Let's see what we end up with here. Try to get it to stick here. I tried using cuticle oil on my toes, and that was last night, but I probably should have washed them with some soap. That might be the problem I'm having. That's kind of something, I was like, I kind of just neglect my toes, right? I was like, I should start doing cuticle oil. They would probably enjoy that, but maybe that's my problem here. Maybe I meant to in my head. At least it crossed my mind. It's looking like I should have done that. Yeah, so it's not wanting to stick. We'll see if that eventually, that's not like the best cleanup job, but let's see if that eventually, let's try. This can be a little like interim. Obviously using soap and water is better, but do I try? I shouldn't have touched that while they were wet with alcohol. Okay, let's do some ladies' night. I have one little baby. Is that enough for? Yeah. These baby strips are great for toes. I'm debating if I redo those now or if I see if they adhere with time. The cream type finish sets like that are in general just seem less sticky to me. So this ladies' night is sticking better. Oh, did I stick that on the? No, that is the. It didn't feel like it was going to peel back up, and I was like, did I stick it on the paper side? Okay. Okay, let me just clean those up. So if you're new here, welcome. Would love it if you would hit subscribe so you can find my videos again. And if you've come back, thank you for coming back. I'm not a stylist. This is just something I do for fun, especially since I'm very addicted to the nail stuff. So it's fun to do something a little more with it. I've been using Color Street. I think it's been 7 years now. It's just something, it's just so fun to me. I like seeing something pretty on my nails and I love the art of it. So, we're going to call that good for the sake of the video. If that lifts up, I'll just replace it there. If you use cuticle oil on your toes, wash them before you try to apply, just like you do with your hands. There's my pro tips of the day. So there you go. Super fun. I'm matching. A kind of rare occurrence. These are super fun. I'm loving it. So, hey, I hope you're having a great day and thanks for joining me, hanging out while I do my pedi here. And I hope to catch you on the next video.